My name is Mori Bhaskar Shelkar. I study standard first. Today my Balsabha topic name is my father. My father name is Mr. Bhaskar Shelkar. My father 33-year-old. My father like to eat roti, chapati, salad, fruit.
Very good.
My father is my best friend. My father is my handsome. Thank you. My one singing my father. My father is gentleman. Goes to office daily.